Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And click on the bell icon to get notified about my videos. Hello guys. Today I am gonna teach you how to fix the battery not charging error in your PC. My name is Ashish and you are watching Technical Guide. Let's begin. So as you can see that my PC is not charging due to some errors. So let's fix it. To fix it, just plug out the charger and plug in again and scroll it right and left, and then let's see the results. Finally it's charging. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and share. I will see you next time.